Yo, what up? It's the Cosmic here. I'm just going to do a quick vid on Mark. A follow up on my case study. So, Mark is now sitting at, let's see here, 262. Yay! I'm not last, but I am not first. Ever since I done my case study, which was over the weekend, so it would have been right smia. Um, it's done. Nothing but consolidation, panic, and then consolidate again. But what happened here? Why are we seeing a spike? Could it be that suspicions on everybody's suspicions have come true that Remark Holdings has more clients than we expected? Boom. Future of public safety and law enforcement, thermal imaging, and artificial intelligence, helping keep the community safe. Looking forward to the incorporation of the new unbelievable technology at Remark Holdings from Sweetwater Police. What? 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 Yeah, that's what I thought. So this thing, I have a feeling, is about to run. And I think it's just going to keep running because I think more tweets like this is going to happen as more and more other people are allowed to say who they work for. So that's my thoughts. I'm going to stay bullish. I'm going to stay swinging. Y'all are going to stay awesome. Like, subscribe, share this video. Peace.